Hi guys, today I am going to show how to mix any color using only 5 colors. The 5 colors are titanium white, chrome yellow, cadmium red, cobalt blue and burnt umber. This demo is especially useful for oil painting learners, particularly beginners. If you want green, you can mix blue and yellow. Mix red and yellow to get orange. Red and blue to get purple. For black, mix burnt umber and blue. In this image, I want to try to mix and match the colors for the brighter area of the jar. I will be mixing burnt umber, yellow, a little bit of red and white. Let's check it now. It's not matching. It looks dark. I will try lightening to by adding a bit more white and yellow. Let's check again. I think this is closer to the right match. In this picture, I want to mix colors for this part of the cloud. I will use more white, a bit of blue and red. Let's check now. It looks a little dark. So I will add more white. Let's check again. I think it closer now. This is a good way to practice mixing colors and learn easily. Let's paint the red capsicum in this picture. Let's get started. By using just these 5 colors, burnt umber, cobalt blue, cadmium red, chrome yellow and titanium white, we can create any color we want. It's not as difficult as it seems. In fact, it's very easy once you understand how colors work together. The key is learning how to mix them in different ratios to get the shades and tones you need. Understanding how colors interact is the foundation of mastering painting. painting the rock in this picture. When we look at a picture, we have to remember which colors are mixed. This comes with regular practice. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. We will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.